Hey, this is David Miller with the Miller Group of Keller Williams Realty. I'm here to help you get real estate smart. All right, I have a lot of buyers that are just scratching their heads right now. They're like,
David, the Fed reduced the rate, and ever since they reduced the rate, why are interest rates going up so much right now? I don't understand.
I'm going to try to simplify this because this is really confusing here. Here's the thing. When the Fed makes changes to the rates, it does influence the interest rates for mortgages, but it does not set them. Okay, that's the key thing. Those are pretty much determined by the yield rate on the 10-year bond, okay? So the yield rate is the amount of interest an investor can get if they were to buy into the bond. So this is how it works here. If there's bad news in the economy, what happens is a lot of investors move out of stocks and they go into a 10-year bond, which is a safer bet. Well, since there's more demand, that causes the interest rate to go down, okay? And then just the opposite. When there is great news about the economy, then the interest rates are going to go up because people are going to leave the bonds and they're going to go into the stock market, and they increase the interest rate to try to attract people to stay or to go there. So here's the bottom line. I probably just totally confused you because I confused myself, but bad news about the economy is good news about interest rates. There's an inverse relationship, and the same thing is true. Good news about the economy is usually bad news for the interest rate. So that's what we're seeing. Now, the other thing is that there's a split between what the Fed charges and what the lenders charge. So if there's a lot of uncertainty in the market, then they're going to have a higher gap than they would before. So before the Fed even reduced the interest rates, they had already dropped down from like 6.8 down to almost 6%, okay? Then when the Fed dropped the rate, I think that next Friday there was some news out there that the economy was a little bit hotter than they expected. So what happened? Right now we're sitting at about 6.7%. So we're still seeing the interest rates that are going to be bouncing until we start seeing some trending on some good or some bad news. So until that happens, buckle up and get ready for the last quarter of 2024. I hope that you are now real estate smart.